Happy New Year to you all, and hello. I hope you ate some delicious food and had some good times with people that matter the most to you in your life over the Christmas break. I really love the new year. It sort of, for me, marks a line in the sand, and it gives me time to reflect on the past 12 months and then look forward to and plan the next 365 days ahead of us until we do it all over again. I'm here in our packing shed to give you a speedy recap of what happened with Matters of Taste and the cameraman and myself over last year, and to let you know what we can offer you this year. Very exciting, lots of delicious things. So 2021 for us was really particularly crazy year. We had no public cooking classes, and we had to finance our empty commercial premises over the whole year whilst we stripped out the cooking school and prepared it for its new use. So we now are very pleased to say we have new tenants in that building as of the 1st of January. Amongst the lockdowns and all the uncertainties, we managed to pull off 5 agri-food tours to the Southern Forest. Oh my gosh, brilliant. And to enjoy with a group of brave travellers, I guess, a food tour to Tasmania as well. So we got there and back without any incidences, which was pretty amazing. And Anthony and I adjusted, or should I say are still adjusting, to working and living at home together. We're filming from our kitchen here, just behind me, and we've also built, or Anthony really has built, this infrastructure of a packing shed so we can house our growing food distribution business. And I always feel like a sort of a champagne cork coming out of a bottle. We're sort of out the other side of 2021 and roaring into 2022. But importantly now, you're probably wondering, well, what can I, expect from Matters of Taste this year? And I will be telling you that, and also I'll tell you about how to get discounts and get discounts on our products and services just in a couple of minutes' time. But first, this year we've scheduled more agri-food tours to the Southern Forest. All the details are on our website for that. And I think there's so much joy to be had from these tours, getting out of the city into the countryside. It's always refreshing, and you'll see where and how food is grown in our southwest, and I truly believe it's a really essential thing for people to come to terms with and understand about how lucky we are to have this food in WA available for us, and to make sure that we are shopping intelligently as well to keep it going for the future. And we've had lots of testimonials from people. Probably the biggest comment is that the tours have exceeded all of their expectations, which is quite wonderful to hear. We're also going to be offering short overnight breaks, sort of featuring on a particular product or item that's around in a particular season. And we came across this, or we've come to this conclusion because our long table cherry orchard lunch in December was an overnight stay in Manjimup, and it was such a success and everyone just had such a great time. We thought we could do this with and focus on other products and other seasons. So watch out for that. You'll need to be on our newsletter, I think, to get all of our information about that. Now onto our beautiful produce boxes. They're like our babies, and I think I know that this home shopping experience, or a concept of shopping from home, buying online from people that you know and trust, that give you local quality products with minimal footprint, by the way, as well, will really grow in popularity this year. I think there's going to be things happening that we wouldn't even expect would happen in WA. So the cameraman this morning was reading about Coles saying that they're going to experience a shortage of meat this year as well. So there's all these things to sort of look at. With our borders scheduled to open early February, we're going to continue working on our produce range. So you get to shop via us, enjoy your weekly shop. Actually, if you're anything like me, you dislike going out shopping every week for the family's needs, but this way you can choose exactly what you want in your produce box. There's safe contactless click and collect, or we can deliver to your house, and there's minimal effort, and you can choose from the most incredible array of products that we've got online. It's been growing and growing over the past year. I love the idea that you could sit down in the evening and spend 10 minutes with a glass of wine, popping things in your shopping basket from our shop, and then it arrives to you a couple of days later or a day later. It's a very nice way to shop, isn't it? Can't take a glass of wine around the supermarket with you, can you? Now on our product list, we have the most incredible lineup and array of Perth's sort of rock star providors, I think we can say. And you can tell I'm getting really excited about this, just speaking about it. But it's my favourite part of the week, at the end of the week, when we get to pack all the produce boxes. We have in our lineup, we have Big Loaf Bakery, which is part of the North Street store. We buy from La Delizia Latticini, Princey Butchers in Bicton, The Butter People, Miller's Food, all WA grown wheat and ground in Byford into beautiful flour. Endeavour Foods provide us with our WA and Australian sustainable seafood. And new this month will be fresh coffee and tea from Leaf Bean Machine, and we're really excited to work with them. And the fresh produce comes from people that we know personally. These are, it's like we've picked them specifically because we trust them. They're ethical farmers, and they come from mainly around our southwest area. We use Bannister Downs Dairy, Cambrai cheese, Charcoal Springs for the best pastured eggs, Manjimup pasture raised chicken, Melaleuca farm merchants, they provide us with our lamb and our Akaushi Wagyu beef, which is a healthy beef alternative. It's incredible. And of course we have a constant, ever-changing, seasonable lineup of fresh fruit and vegetables from Anthony and Natasha at Southern Forest Produce Direct. Now they are really good at fresh food. So let me tell you, just as an example, the turnaround time from farm gate to your home can be as little as 3 days. So harvesting something in the paddock to you cooking it can be less than 3 days. And supermarkets, the same turnaround time is up to 12 days. So that makes a huge difference in the nutrition of your food and the flavour and freshness of your food. And boy, oh boy, does it all taste so good. We eat it all the time, all this. It's delicious. So if any of this that I've been talking to you about has given you a little tingle of excitement, my advice is to join Matters of Taste Collective online. It's especially made for Perth and Western Australian home cooks, just like you. There's loads of benefits to being a member online. You get 10% off your weekly shop every single week. No waiting for specials. You get 10% off everything. You get discount on our multi-night food tours as well, and access to hundreds of my recipes and teaching, if you want it, on demand. So for those of you who are new to Matters of Taste, you'll find the collective online. It's where I publish my recipes and teaching, and new content is added all the time. I think this is probably 4th year that we've been running the Cooks Collective, so it really is building momentum and is a brilliant library for all your cooking needs, let's put it that way. And I'm also here to give a helping hand if you need it too. All you need to do is ask. So I hope that you'll connect with Anthony and myself this year, online or in person, and all our contact details are on the website, so please feel free to get in touch with us. So meantime, we'll work on continuing to bring you safe, fresh food so that you can eat well in 2022. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch and listen. See you.